Hi everyone, I'm Vijay from PySpiders Rajajinagar. Here we have our place candidate called RENUKA. So Renuka, can you share your experience in PySpiders?
Sure, sir. Hi everyone, I'm RENUKA PATIL and I'm a 2024 BE ISE graduate and I've pursued my engineering in VVIT Mysore. I joined PySpiders in the month of July and I started my Python classes in the month of July itself, and then I parallelly attended manual classes as well, and then SQL. Presentation and all the boot camps helped me a lot in improving my communication and talking to other people, and I got to learn new things from others as well, my team members, my presentation team members, and mocks really helped me in preparing well for the interviews, and the grooming sessions were really important as it helped me to prepare based on the questions which are frequently asked in the companies. So overall it was a great experience, and I don't regret coming to PySpiders, and I would recommend anyone who wants to learn new skills effectively and who wants to get placed in a good company to join PySpiders Rajajinagar.
Other than Python manual, any other subjects you attended?
SQL. Yeah.
Super. Congrats and all the best.
Thank you.